Hi and welcome to this Fabricville video tutorial. My name is Madeleine and today we're going to make this Burma style lined jacket. It comes with a zipper, neck, sleeves and waistbands. I found the different fabrics of this jacket in a Fabricville store. To sew this jacket we will need the McCall's M7619 pattern, pencils, scissors, some pins, a separable zipper, if you like some iron-on motifs, and fabrics. I used this ivory faux fur for the front and back, and this maroon soft shell with fleece backing for the sleeves. For the neck, sleeves, and waistbands, I used this white knit fabric. For the linings and the pockets, I used this printed satin fabric. You will find all the links of these fabrics in the description below. To start, I'm going to place the pattern on the fabric, respecting the grain line, and then I will cut the different fabrics. The lining is cut with the same pattern as the jacket. Before removing the pattern from the fabric pieces, I transfer all notches that will be useful to assemble the jacket. Now it's time to start sewing. After having reinforced the front according to the symbols, I snip the seam allowance and make a narrow hem. I pin the right side of the pocket to the wrong side of the front, matching the markings, and I stitch all around the pocket. Then I do the same with the other side. I plait the front pieces on top of the back piece, right sides together, and I will stitch the shoulders and sides. Sewing the sides, I make sure I leave the entry of the pocket open. With right sides together, I pin the waistband to the jacket, and I stitch, stretching the lower band to fit. Now I fold the neckband with one sides together. Then I pin and stitch the band to the neck of the jacket. I'm now going to sew the zipper. First, I open and separate the zipper. I pin each side of the zipper to the front of the jacket, and then I stitch using a zipper foot. To sew the sleeves, I first fold them with right side inside and I stitch. Then I pin it to the jacket, being careful of the markings. I fold the sleeve band right side inside and stitch the edges. Then, with right sides together, I pin the sleeve band to the sleeve, matching the symbols, stretching the sleeve band to fit. I will assemble the lining in the same order as the jacket, stitching first the fronts and back and then the sleeves. Right sides together, I pin the lower edge of the lining to the waistband. I stitch, then I press the band folded in two on the right side. Then I stitch the lining front to the jacket front along the zipper. Turn in the seam allowance on the neck edge of the lining and slip stitch over the seam. I slip the sleeve lining inside sleeve and also slip stitch over the seam. To finish, I top stitch the jacket along the front opening edges and along the collar seam. And our little jacket is finished. You can add decorating motifs to the front of the jacket. Thank you for watching this Fabricville tutorial and see you soon!